Now VAPI has workflows. Yes, it has. In the latest release, VAPI gave us workflows. This means that VAPI is shifting from traditional prompt-based agents into a more workflow-driven approach. Yes, and that's great for us because it gave us a lot of control over our agents. VAPI is the #1 tool in the voice AI space now, and they're moving quickly. So we should move quickly as well and understand these latest updates. For example, here I'm in the VAPI platform, but before going into workflows, the documentation says that the way to attach a workflow to an assistant is just setting VAPI as the provider and attaching a workflow. In this example, VAPI starts the call and we have the power to, as soon as that happens, hit our API so we can know that that phone number call started. The agent starts persuading the lead and gather if the lead is interested or not. If it's not, we have control again to hit our API in that specific moment, say whatever we want and hang. But if the lead is interested indeed, we have a new flow, a whole new path that the agent will perform. First, we have always control over our API, and we can even use API requests to gather real-time information so the system can have access to. And this can go on and go on. That's why this workflow feature gives us a lot more of control. VAPI frontend is changing rapidly, and they also released these test suites, but I will not cover them in this video. I will do another video for it. If you have tested with workflows already, please let me know. I would love to hear your use case. And if you have any doubt or question about workflows, drop in the comments so we can make a video about it. Thank you.